Hello, Moyna, bud.
Shalomani, who's the gunda?
I'm not the gunda. Why do you keep calling your baby gunda for?
Because you're the gunda.
Where have we been eating for the last few days?
Didn't really eat that much yesterday. So
But where have we been eating?
everywhere.
Alright, you're a bit dim now, so I'll point the camera in the right direction. Right, so that's where we've been eating mostly. Okay, bit diabolical, but it was much more edible than our own restaurant in the hotel. That's it. Little duckling, you got anything else to say? Why? You in a mood?
No, I'm just tired.
You are. You want to attack the restaurant manager, didn't you? Why did you want to attack the restaurant manager for?
Because he's a knob.
Fair enough. Can't swear like that. I'll give you a kick to the head. Where are you going now?
Going to a nice beach.
What will you do there?
Sunbathe.
Why do you need to sunbathe? Do you think you're a white girl or something?
I want to be more brown than I am.
You want to be more brown?
Yeah.
Just kiss my ass and you'd be more brown.